we'll be using VMware. Now, VMware will help you host or run multiple operating systems on just a single machine. And when I mean a single machine, in this context, we're talking about a laptop. That's on just your laptop. We can run multiple operating systems. Now, for the sake of this class, I believe vast majority of you are using Windows, right? Now, for the sake of this class, we are going to be using, additionally, we are going to be using Linux. We're going to be using Linux. So now, you are going to download this VMware, but don't worry. I would give you a link to download it from. I'm the one giving you the link. Then I would give you a video to put you through on how to download this particular tool. So the video is going to explain it step by step. Step by step. Please do well to follow that video step by step. You're going to understand how to download this completely. So moving further, we have other tools. If you remember very well, we're talking about tools. There were some tools that were just for web app scanning. A very good example is what Bob Suit. Another one is what Mmap scanner. Moving further, we have Wireshark. We have OWASP. We're going to talk about all these ones later on. That's when we are talking about an area of cybersecurity that has to do with these tools. That's when we now come and break the tool down. We'll now tell you how to use the tool and what have you. So now let's quickly move back to this VMware where we are going to be working. Let me show you how it looks like. That's like a simple example of what I'm talking about. Okay. Now looking at the screen, what you have there is like an environment. That's that VMware environment. I would log in now. This is like I'm logging into my normal computer. Now see that. This is a computer, right? This is like a computer, right? But the computer is inside another computer. I don't know if you get me. This computer, this particular computer is inside another computer. This one is a different operating system. This is Linux operating system. Or better still, you can call it Kali Linux operating system. Now, this Kali Linux is what is embedded inside, or not like embedded is not that way. This Kali Linux is inside. The host is Windows operating system is what I'm using, but this Kali is running, it's a different OS running inside, running on top of that was Windows OS. Now, let me make the screen bigger. So I assume you can see everything here, everything in the screen. Good. Now this Linux, Kali Linux operates like normal computer. Just like now, you're using Android. You now get you an iPhone. You may find it just like very but sooner or later you'll be familiar with the whole features, functions, what have you. You see, there's a bin.jpg here, bin.jpg. I'm going to double tap on it and it's going to open. It's as simple as ABC. Do you get it? Why I'm saying it's as simple as ABC is because this is the what? This is the GUI, graphical user interface, right? When you have problems, yes, I'm saying it and I'll say it again. When you have problems, when we now move to the CLI aspect, that's command line interface. We'll start talking about we'll start everything that we are doing in GUI. We're now going to be doing it in CLI. This is what I mean by CLI. Let's go to this command line and let's just check out one or two. Now, I don't know if you can see it properly. Sorry, Christy, please confirm you can see the screen very well. I think if it's like large enough. And tell me what I wrote here. What did I write there? Hello, Christian, are you there?
Yes, I am. Who am I?
Yeah, please.
That's
Sorry,
what I can see.
sorry for calling you all of a sudden. Sorry, don't be offended.
No, it's fine. It's who am I can see there. So it's clear
Okay.
enough, but for those using phones, I don't think it's going to be as clear.
Are you using your phone or your laptop to join currently?
My phone.
Your phone, like, is it clear on your phone?
Yes, it is.
Okay,
That's how
and
I'm
there
able
should
to
be
see
no
it.
problem there. I said all persons raising
Yeah.
up their hand. Let me check. Let me quickly just check the LO session to see if okay. Please, I don't want to scroll through. I want to keep the screen like this so that I would be able to see. I'll be able to attend to each and every question when it's time for question and answer segment. Yeah. So I was trying to explain. I was trying to explain. I was trying to explain this VMware that it can be like a host for another operating system. So now, basically, what we're going to install, like I said before, the VMware. Another thing we're going to install is like this image file. Please don't let all this concept, all these words be like too big for you. Just like I say, go and download the picture or go and download the music file. That's the same way I'm asking you now. That's not now, later to download. You have that's later when I give you the directive. You're going to download a um, a disk image file. That's an ISO file. Then you download this VMware. So that's what I'm basically going to be working with. Now you discover that this guy is same as the GUI. GUI, like I said, is graphical user interface, which is about you see picture. Graphical user interface is where the computer is helping you to navigate through the computer. Yeah, the computer is telling you how to navigate through the computer. CLI is where you are the one telling the computer how to navigate through. Let me give a perfect example. Let's go to the screen. Let's go to the home page. You will discover see, this thing is trash, right? You can see it's like a bean. It's already giving you an insight that this thing is like a bean. So you already know that is what is to delete something, right? This is home. It's already drawing like picture of home. So the computer is the one that telling you, is helping you out that hello, bro, this is home. Like your own files or whatever it is that you have on that home is located there. This is look at this sign. Everyone knows that this sign of music. So even if you don't know what is there, you can have an idea, you can guess. So the computer is already helping you, the computer is already telling you that hello, this is most likely like a this is most likely an audio file, right? So now if we go to CLI, CLI is not going to tell you this time around, you're the one that will tell the computer what you want to do. So now looking at this now, let's quickly don't be too confused about what I'm going to do now. See we are in Kali. Then we can see documents, downloads. I'm looking for desktop. I can see desktop. So let's go to desktop. Now, if you observe, if you look at everything that you are seeing here, just take a look at everything that you are seeing here. This audio file, just take a look at everything that you are seeing here and compare it with what you are seeing on the screen very, very well. You discover that everything that is here, this is our desktop file. Everything that is here is located on the screen. Let's just pick one example. Let's just pick file integrity checker.py. Come here. Let's look for, you can see it here. file integrity checker.py. This sign is already telling you that this is a Python file, right? So we are going to just leave it here because we have other things to attend to. So we're going to leave it here. We'll leave it here. Now I will send you a link. The link is like a link to a website. Contains comprehensive list of different cybersecurity tools and a short summary of what is written there. Sorry, a short summary of the tools.